Hey guys, welcome to another video, and in this video we're going to be talking about buying Bitcoin at an ATM or store. In the early years of Bitcoin, the option of buying Bitcoin were quite limited. As time has progressed, however, the option have become more expansive than almost anyone could imagine. One of the more recent innovations in Bitcoin is found in the form of Bitcoin ATM. A Bitcoin ATM is just as it sounds, except it is more like a Bitcoin shop than an ATM. Except it is more like a Bitcoin shop than an ATM. Many of these ATM will not only allow you to convert your pre-existing Bitcoin into cash as you would with a traditional debit card for paper money, but they will also allow you to acquire Bitcoin using cash. This is why Bitcoin ATM are just as much as a shop as they are a regular ATM. The drawback to buying Bitcoin from an ATM are relatively minimal by volume, but they are significant. The two main downfalls of buying Bitcoin from an ATM are: 1. Transaction fees, and 2. Maximum purchase limits. Since ATM will need to process your purchase or Bitcoin with limited information, they can only afford to take a small amount of risks. As a result, it is common that a first-time ATM user will only be allowed to buy a few $100 worth of Bitcoin. For many, this will be enough. But if you wish to acquire large amounts of Bitcoin, you will need to seek alternatives. Just like if you want to withdraw from your bank account, it takes you a maximum of 200,000 naira per day to withdraw from your bank account. That is how it will take you a limit order for you to withdraw or buy Bitcoin from a Bitcoin ATM machine. One way to buy more Bitcoin from an ATM is to verify your identity. Different ATM have different requirements and approval limits, but most will allow you to buy up to few thousands of dollars worth of Bitcoin with the right amount of identity verification. In most cases, raising your limit will require photo proof of both your own identity, a selfie, for example, and a matching form of a government-issued identification. Even when this level of verification are met, however, your maximum buy limit from a Bitcoin ATM is likely to exceed a few thousands of dollars. The other drawback to Bitcoin ATM is found in the processing fee. While the traditional Bitcoin exchange may charge 1 to 3% for a buy transaction, a Bitcoin ATM may instead charge 5 to 10%. It is almost the same way our bank account charge when you go to your ATM to withdraw naira than when you go to your bank account over the counter and withdraw, or when you use your phone to do a transaction. While the fees at Bitcoin ATM are higher, the convenience may be worth it. In addition, since the buy limits are small, you will not be spending a significant amount of dollars in fees when completing your buy. All in all, Bitcoin ATMs are largely in place to serve two crowds: 1. Those looking for quick convenience, and 2. Those who would otherwise not buy Bitcoin. It is not a bad way to make your first Bitcoin purchase, but if you plan to ultimately own a large amount of Bitcoin, your best plan to buy as much as you can from an exchange or another source with more reasonable buy maximum and transaction fee. If you've not subscribed to this YouTube channel, please do, and watch my next video on buying Bitcoin from person to person.